How to see debit card number on the Wells Fargo app. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will log into your Wells Fargo account. So you want to open up the mobile app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Then we will select our debit card account. Once logged in, you want to navigate to the Accounts tab and find and select your debit card account. This will typically be listed under your checkings or savings account that is linked to your debit card. The third step will be accessing the card details. You want to look for an option that says View Card or Card Details. In some cases, this may be found by clicking on a menu, the three dots or more next to your debit card or account details. The second to last step will be verifying our identity. For security purposes, you may need to verify your identity, such as biometric authentication, fingerprint or face recognition, or require you to enter a one-time passcode. The last step is viewing the card number. So once you've been verified, you should be able to view your debit card number, expiration date and CVV code. Some users may need to tap show or reveal card info to see the full number. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.